Hi guys, welcome back again. So today I'll be teaching you how to drive your automatic motorcycle. So first, let me show you the parts that you need to know. So this is your foot brake. This one is your foot brake. We have here your hand grip, your hand brake, and to the other side we have your shift pedal. After you turn your ignition on, start it right here. So press this one. While pressing it, turn your hand grip down like this. Next, since we are in our neutral mode, press your shift pedal. As you can see, it turned to the first gear position. So now slowly hold your hand grip downwards. Okay, we did it.